Hello, my name is Daniel, and I'm the owner and operation manager at Elephant Floors. Elephant Floors is a top-rated flooring installation provider in the Bay Area that's been in business for the last 5 years as a licensed, bonded, and insured company. We specialize in providing best customer experience in all types of hardwood installation, waterproof and laminate flooring installation, hardwood refinishing and restoration, carpet and tile installations. As we say it in Elephant Floors, big or small, we take it all. We work with homeowners, real estate agents, business owners, and commercial buildings. Our team is fully equipped to work in fully occupied houses as well as the vacant and commercial properties. Elephant Floors has achieved the highest rating on different platforms. You can find us on Yelp, Google, Angie's List, Home Advisor, and House. Elephant Floors is not just a flooring installation service provider. Our goal is to ensure customer satisfaction, starting from our consultative approach and reasonable pricing to stunning results. We turn our clients' vision into reality in the most time-efficient manner. How we do it? We offer precise laser measurements, on-the-spot labor cost estimates, virtual and remote cost calculations based on the virtual tours and blueprints. And of course, we offer special financing options. Thank you for calling Elephant Floors. This is Daniel.